Hello and welcome everyone. Today I am going to show you how Ansible Automation Platform can work with your favorite LLM alongside your ITSM platform to build out a true AIOps solution for rotating certificates on your Windows servers. Let's go ahead and get started. So here we have Contoso's internal services portal running on IIS. Employees use it all day, every day for HR, DevOps, and IT service requests. But if we look at the TLS certificate, it's about to expire. We can confirm that in Windows Certificate Manager. Here we see our demo.contoso.com certificate in the local machine store, again, about to expire. So if we hop over to AAP, we can see that we actually already have an event-driven Ansible rulebook running. That rulebook is listening for certificate expiry alerts from our Windows environment, and we can actually watch as the fire count increases from 12 to 13, where it's picked up an alert and fired off the AI risk analysis job. Now in this job, the AI evaluates the certificate details, the IIS site dependencies, compliance requirements, and current business conditions. Now every time this job runs, it returns three things. The first two are a decision and a risk level. Now that decision can be one of three options: schedule the rotation for another time if conditions aren't ideal, escalate to a human when the risk is too high for automation, or proceed with an immediate rotation when it's safe to do so. Along with the decision and risk level, a full risk analysis explaining the AI's reasoning and context is returned. Then the ITSM ticket is updated accordingly. So let's look at what happens when we hit the schedule path. In this scenario, the AI sees that it's peak business hours with thousands of active users on the site, and the certificate has 5 days until expiration. So instead of rotating now and risking disruption, the AI has already scheduled the rotation for the next maintenance window. And just to be extra safe, we can confirm over an AAP under schedules and see that when the maintenance window arrives, the rotation will run automatically. Now let's dig into the escalate path. Here there's a mandatory change freeze in effect, but the Windows certificate is going to expire before the freeze lifts. The AI can't schedule around it and it can't rotate during the freeze, so it escalates. It creates a high priority ServiceNow ticket along with a detailed impact analysis covering the IIS dependencies, load balancer health checks, the compliance implications, and specific precautions for whoever picks it up. Now, this is a cool place where we can think about growing this use case. We could look at those precautions and do things like run those health checks automatically and put the output in the ServiceNow ticket. We can actually assign that ServiceNow ticket to the contacts that are listed that the AI has returned. There's a lot of really cool options that you can do there. But as for Contoso right now, conditions are clear. And when conditions are clear, the AI says proceed and launches the rotation job automatically. This playbook connects to the Windows server over WinRM, queries the certificate store for a valid replacement, rebinds the IIS HTTPS site to the new certificate, removes the old certificate from the store, and verifies that IIS is still serving HTTPS. Over in ServiceNow, we can see that the incident is updated with the old and new certificate thumbprints along with the HTTPS verification result. And the incident is resolved with a full audit trail and zero human intervention. Lastly, we can just confirm our new certificate and its details over in Windows Certificate Manager. Here we see our certificate in the store with a new expiry date. And the portal is still up and running and serving traffic over HTTPS with its renewed certificate. And with that, we have completed our AIOps solution for Windows certificate rotation with Ansible Automation Platform. I hope that you enjoyed today's video. If you want to get more information about building out this solution or just more information on AAP in general, you can check out the links in the description below. Thanks for watching.